Pennsylvania is blessed with many fine amusement parks. Hershey Park is one of the largest with its super-sized collection of rides and attractions. This is Stu from Out and Back Travel, and I help you plan your theme park travel adventures. In today's episode we're taking a quick look at Hershey Park, so you can decide whether or not to add this park to your next trip. Should you trip it or skip it? Have all the Intamins. Excuse this massive ejection. Do they ever have the trims on? Free chocolate. Costume characters direct from your nightmares. Hershey Park is a giant sprawling amusement park, zoo and chocolate factory tour in Pennsylvania. This one has quite a deceiving terrain, so there'll definitely be some tired feet at the end of the day. The park has 14 roller coasters, the Intamin Freeway of Fahrenheit, SkyRush and Storm Runner, to the classics like the Comet and Super Duper Looper, which is the best roller coaster name to say ever. Lightning Racer is the twin-track duelling and racing Woody from GCI. I especially love it at night time when it's highlighted by its twinkly chaser lights. The headliner is Candymonium. This B&M hypercoaster opened back in 2020. The first climb takes you 210 foot in the air. The out and back layout features 7 airtime pops to have you floating up and out of your seat. Don't miss Coal Cracker, the park's Arrow hydro flume. This is becoming increasingly a rare example of a log flume variant. At the bottom of the final chute there's a slight uphill section of trough so the boats skim along the water as they land, just like a stone skimming across a lake. Half day or full day? Hershey is definitely a full day park, especially if you do the included water park, the boardwalk. The park regularly offers what they call the preview plan ticket. If you buy your ticket the night before your visit, you get to enjoy the last few hours of the night before free of charge, which is a great way for maximising your visit. So what's the verdict? Should you trip it or skip it? I say definitely trip it. My family have been visiting Hershey Park since 2002 and always make an effort to include it in our East Coast road trips. The quantity of rides, amazing roller coasters and charming atmosphere really make this a special place. While you're at Hershey Park, right next door is Hershey's Chocolate World, which is home to a free chocolate tour ride. You don't even have to buy an admission ticket to go on it, and you get a free sample of chocolate at the end. There's also a super huge Hershey gift shop and a few upsell experiences like making your own candy bars. Are you planning on visiting Hershey Park in 2021? I've got more theme park guides coming up in the future to help with your coaster trip planning, so please subscribe to be notified when I upload future videos, and until next time, stay safe on the way out and back.